These make me feel kind of fancy.
Way too vicious. Quality fabrics on my body when I kick it. Murakami flowers on my fitted. I'm already knowing that I'm gifted. And everything I do is with precision. Go ahead and look at the percentage.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for coming. My name is Morgan. Today I am going over some things I got from Amazon. Well, I wouldn't say just some things. I got a lot of things, which are things that I'm going to use for my backgrounds for my videos. I know I'm not the only person that has just started a YouTube channel, or you know someone that is, and you just want something nice in the background that gives your videos a little pizzazz. Well, I found these. I found more than this, really. I got some backgrounds for my videos. I'm really excited to open them, but I didn't want to open them on camera, or I didn't want to open them off camera because I wanted to do like a reveal on camera so you guys can see. Can anyone guess why I'm most excited to open this one? I don't know why either. I have no clue. I don't know. I like to smell stuff. Be sure it don't smell funky. It doesn't smell funky. But this is what it looks like. Ah! It's so like purple. Look at that shine. I might have to go in my other room. We're gonna do like a cape and just see. I ain't even did it officially yet, but look, you guys. Now I can't say from what I'm seeing, because can you guys see me through here? Anyway, it's a little sheer. I don't think it'll be a problem though, because I have like I have some light sheets that I could always put behind it. Also, I'm gonna leave the links for all of these in the description. I got these from Amazon. I'm really liking this. Straight out the pack, what I'm thinking. The purple one was fire. Sorry, I'm trying to bend down because I didn't answer. Actually, let me change the camera angle here. My back. Oh, I got my chair a little dusty there. Okay, so this is like a more sheer one. Oh, wait a minute. Now, wait a minute now. When you look, it didn't look pink or anything originally. Like, it looks like it has purple and pink in it. Now, fresh out the pack, it didn't look like that. But when I held it up to the light, to the camera, this has a pinkish, purplish look. Oh, I like that too. I like the different, what, like, I guess depending on where the light hits it, it's gonna look different. But that's fire. Y'all, what y'all think? What y'all think of this one? This is more like a subtle, like, you get some pink, you get some, it looks like you get some green in there, a little bit of green, some purple, some white. Really just, I mean, I'm getting a little tad of, not really blue, but yeah, just really, depending on where the light hits it, right? You get some different colors. I'm excited. This is what it's giving in the pack. This is like a rose gold kind of color. Ooh. This one kind of had, okay, I thought it had a smell. Maybe it's just plastic. Okay, this is really shimmery. This is giving me more like, this reminds me of like lights. I don't know. I like this too though. This is different. Let me see how it looks on. Wow, beautiful. This kind of reminds me of fireworks for some reason. You're getting some gold, some like, look at that, ooh, look at that shimmer. Now that is cute. Y'all can't tell me that these aren't cute. I paid for all of these with my own money too. My own coins. This one's a pinkish one. Why are these so dusty? They are getting dust or whatever is on there all on me. I'm getting, like you can see when the light hits, it's doing a lot of shimmer. This is different. It's sheer, but I think, like I said, with the sheet underneath, this could be really, really nice. Like, look at that, y'all. There's some shine. In case y'all are wondering, I have like a black sheet in the background. That kind of look good on my skin. Hold on. Va-va-boom. I'm literally just taking the sheet and putting it over. I don't know if that's going to change the way it looks, but that's what I'm doing. But I actually like the black background as well. I didn't even think about trying to see what it looked like. It got a little dust. Actually, it looks really nice. So Might do some of my videos with this one as well. Back to me hanging it up. Back with the pink. What do you guys think? I like it. I know I keep saying that about all of them, but I like them all for different reasons. If I was feeling like really girly, like really, I don't know, I don't know, I feel like this would be like a good makeup look. I do like the purple hues a bit more, but if you're more of a pink person, I'm just more of a purple person. But if you're more of a pink person, I definitely think that this is great as well. Because I have the black background, it may, because you can kind of see here, like for example, like right here and right here, that it looks a bit more, I think it would look lighter if you used a white background. I think with the pink, it's a little bit more noticeable that I have a black background. I would still use this. I also kind of feel like if I change the lighting, maybe you wouldn't be able to tell. See, yep, just as I thought, because this side is looking really light. I can get away with having the black in the background. You really can't tell. But yeah, this is what the pink one looks like. I think it looks really good. I know I don't do like makeup videos, but for those of you that do, I think this is beautiful. I mean, look at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one, which is going to be the rose gold. I think that that's going to complement my skin very well, but we'll see. I hope so. I think it's going to give more of like a bright, kind of elegant look. Like this one is giving more like girly to me, which I love as well. So we'll see how that one looks. But let me know what you guys think of this one down below. I'm linking all of the products so you guys can get it for yourself if you want. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back with I lost count. But anyway, I'm back with the rose gold background. Very luxurious. It looks like a classy type of background that you would use. I would even use this for I would even use it for makeup, like a glam type of a video or whatever. The background is just really nice and shiny and bright, and my face is oily. Anyway, none of the backgrounds made me feel like I wouldn't use them. I feel like I would use them all in some sort of situation. Like they are very nice in quality. I like it as well. I don't know, I feel like these colors are like this is actually the white-ish colored one. So this is the purple one. Surprise, surprise. This one is just like, this one's like purple. But this one has hues of like pink and like greens. I'm like seeing different colors in it. I like it. I think it looks really, really, really nice. I'm very impressed. And I guess like depending on, like I said, where the light is hitting, I kind of like it bright. Ow. Okay, don't sit too close to it. If you have hair, your hair will get a little caught in the fabric. So scoop the chair up a little bit. This one might be my favorite. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments down below. Of course, I said I'm gonna link all of these products so you guys can just get them from Amazon. But I really like this one. I kind of feel like this can go with all of like, I don't know the type of videos I like to do because it's bright, but it still like has those other pinks and those purples and those other hues that are very beautiful. I'm gonna go on to the next background. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, I am back with the fourth and final background. This is the purple. I really like it. Only thing is I got a little wrinkle here that, anyway, I still like the background. Purple, as y'all know, is my favorite color. So I really like this. Let me see, it matches my shirt. You see my shirt? Ooh. Yeah, I really like, I don't know, I like the ones with the purple hues. I just do. It's a really nice color. It's very me. Definitely can see myself using this one as well. I'm sure I'm gonna get plenty of uses out of it while I make more content for you guys. And hopefully you subscribe to my channel and you get to watch more of my stuff and see me use these backgrounds. All right, y'all, so that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys found this information useful, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like down below. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Would you use any of these colors as a background for any of your videos or like your photos? Let me know. As I always say, it don't cost to help the boss, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and it's hard. So show your girl some love and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help me out. And until next time, thank you guys for watching my video. Bye!
Booster officer confirms solid rocket booster separation.